Hey, sweet tooths! Ever wondered how your favorite candies are made? From gummy bears to lollipops, candy making is like magic, but with science. Stick around to find out the secret behind these delicious treats. Oh, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids School for more fun learning videos. Hi there, candy lovers. Today we're taking a trip to a candy factory, a whirlwind of activity. Imagine giant vats of sugary goodness being mixed, poured, and shaped into delightful treats. First things first, let's talk ingredients. Sugar is the star. But did you know some candies get their vibrant colors from real fruits and vegetables? Strawberries, beets, carrots. They bring a burst of natural color to your favorite candies. These factories are full of incredible machines. Massive mixers churn out batches of chewy caramel, conveyor belts transport rows of perfectly formed lollipops, and cooling tunnels transform hot, gooey mixtures into solid, bite-sized delights. It's a symphony of whirring gears, spinning rollers, and the sweet aroma of candy in the air. By controlling the temperature, candy makers can transform sugar from a grainy crystal into chewy caramel, hard candy shells, or fluffy marshmallows. So buckle up, candy enthusiasts. We're about to dive into the fascinating world of candy making, exploring the secrets behind those irresistible treats that make our taste buds dance. Get ready to unleash your inner scientist, because we're about to unlock the secrets of candy making. At the heart of it all lies the magical transformation of sugar through heat. Sugar isn't just sweet, it's a master of disguise, changing its texture and form depending on how much heat it's exposed to. At low heat, around 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, sugar bonds loosen up, creating soft and chewy treats like marshmallows. Crank up the heat to medium, around 250 to 270 degrees Fahrenheit, and the sugar molecules get more energized, resulting in the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture of caramel and taffy. Now, if you really want to see sugar show off, blast the heat to high, around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the sugar molecules form strong bonds, creating hard candies like lollipops and brittle. But wait, there's more. Have you ever wondered how cotton candy, that cloud of sugary goodness, is made? It's a fascinating process that involves melting sugar and then spinning it through tiny holes. As the melted sugar flies through the air, it cools and solidifies into those delicate, thread-like strands. It's like spinning a web of sweetness. How gummy candies are made. Gummy bears, gummy worms, gummy fish. These chewy treats are a staple in the candy aisle. The secret ingredient is gelatin, a protein derived from animal collagen. When gelatin is added to a sugary syrup, it forms a network of molecules that trap water, resulting in a springy texture. The process starts with mixing gelatin with sugar, corn syrup, and flavorings. This mixture is then heated and poured into molds shaped like bears, worms, or any other fun creatures you can imagine. As the mixture cools, the gelatin sets, transforming it into those jiggly-wobbly treats we all know and love. Now for a fun fact, did you know that gummy worms were invented to make eating bugs more appealing? It sounds strange, but it's true. The idea was to create a candy that resembled something found in nature, and gummy worms were born. So next time you pop a gummy bear into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the science behind its chewiness. It's a delightful combination of sugar, gelatin, and a touch of creativity. The art of candy coating. Have you ever marveled at the perfectly smooth, shiny coating on candies like M&Ms and Skittles? That, my friends, is the art of candy coating, a process that involves encasing a center of chocolate or candy in a hard, sugary shell. The process starts with creating a sugar glaze, a mixture of sugar, water, and sometimes corn syrup. This glaze is then poured over a tumbling bed of candy centers in a giant rotating drum. As the drum spins, the candy centers are coated in a thin layer of glaze. To give the candy its signature shine, the coated candies are then blasted with warm air, which helps to dry and harden the glaze. This process is repeated multiple times, building up the coating layer by layer until the desired thickness and shine are achieved. And here's a fascinating tidbit. Did you know that it takes about 8 hours to make a single batch of candy-coated chocolates? That's right, 8 hours of tumbling, coating, and drying to achieve that perfect shell. So next time you bite into a candy-coated treat, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and precision that went into creating its shiny exterior. Crazy candies around the world. Fasten your seatbelts, candy adventurers, because we're about to embark on a global sugar rush. exploring the wild and wonderful world of candies from different cultures. Our first stop takes us to Japan, where we encounter mochi, a chewy delight made from glutinous rice flour. Mochi comes in various flavors and colors, often filled with sweet bean paste or ice cream. Next, we're off to Mexico, where things get a little spicy with tamarind candies. Tamarind is a tropical fruit with a tangy, sour-sweet flavor that's both puckering and addictive. Mexicans have mastered the art of transforming this unique fruit into a variety of candies, from chewy strips to hard candies coated in chili powder. Our sweet journey then takes us to Greece, where we indulge in lukumi, a chewy jelly-like candy made with starch, sugar, and flavored with mastic, a resin from the mastic tree. And for a mind-boggling candy fact, did you know that the world's largest lollipop weighed over 7,000 pounds? That's heavier than an elephant. This colossal confectionery creation was made in the United States and stood as a testament to the world's love for all things sweet. So there you have it, candy connoisseurs, a glimpse into the diverse and delicious world of candies from around the globe. Wow, candy making is like a science experiment you can eat. Next time you enjoy your favorite treat, remember the magic behind it. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids School for more fun learning videos. See you in the next sweet adventure.